I invite you into an intricate tale that's been relentlessly echoing in the chambers of my mind and thoughts. A narrative marked by intrigue, hopes, fears, in the pursuit of a dream. It revolves around a phenomenon that has jolted the landscape of our beloved platform, YouTube. The inception of the promotion beta tab. It's a plot twist that has us, the creators, in its grip, prompting us to ponder, is it a blessing or is it a cloak, digital novelty or an unseen curse in a digital disguise? The mystery is palpable, calling us into its depths to unearth the truth. Our protagonist in this adventure is myself, Dennis, a steadfast advocate of sustainability, an entertainer armed with clean humor, a devout Christian, and a devoted content creator on YouTube. Each pixel of my channel brings with it the essence of my passion, and yet it lies shrouded under the harsh reality of a modest 3,500 watch hours and stuck at 3,500 hours for about 4 to 5 months now. As the screen flickers, painting my space with the icy glare of YouTube analytics, I find my aspirations frozen in time at this discouraging milestone. Yet, like a solitary beacon in a murky storm, there it emerges, YouTube Innovative Promotion Beta tab. It murmurs alluring propositions of escalating my visibility with 800 to 1,000 views for a mere investment of $200. Driven by the sharp sting of desperation, enticed by the glip of hope, I roll the dice and take the plunge into the unknown. A week slipped by in an anxious flurry, then, as if lit by a sudden flash of virtual lightning, my video surges on to the scene, boasting an astounding 140,000 impressions, 1,061 views, and 77 new subscribers. It feels like riding a cresting wave of success, yet beneath the thrill lurks an unsettling question. Is YouTube metamorphing into a pay-to-play battlefield? Does my victory truly mirror the value of my content? Or is it merely an illusion? A dance choreographed by the puppeteer of paid promotions? It's a vexing paradox that I grapple with as the quaint charm of organic charm seems to shrink beneath the towering silhouette of paid prosperity. In the midst of this tunnel, a moment of clarity slices through. I perceive the promotion tool not as a manipulative puppet master, but as a powerful amplifier. It doesn't twist or contort my narrative. It merely projects it onto a larger canvas, louder and bolder. Finally, the day of reckoning arrives, the coveted 4,000 watch hours. In this moment of triumph, I realize that although the promotion tool may have kicked the door ajar, it's the allure in the substance of my content that truly draws and captivates my viewers like you. However, that's a dream. The cliffhanger remains. Will this strategy unmask the watch hours I immensely crave? Or is this another chess move by YouTube to outmaneuver us content creators, those who've been tirelessly sowing seeds of creativity and dedication over the past 2 years, striving to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP? The sands of time are yet to disclose the outcome. The story continues to unfold. Stay tuned. Let us not lose sight of our core truth. The tools that we wield may transform, the strategies may oscillate, but our unwavering commitment to crafting authentic, impactful content remains our true guiding star. So, we return to our saga, a riveting tightrope act, a sympathy of organic growth and paid promotion. Fellow creators, keep your creative fires roaring. Never lose sight of this truth. Your voice is potent and resonant. I appreciate you joining me in this digital odyssey. This is Dennis Schleicher. Let's keep believing, keep striving, and until we meet again, stay blessed and inspired.